Just into our newsroom tonight, take a look at this. This is an industrial fire that broke out in Clinton Township, Michigan. That's just outside of Detroit. Police saying that, quote, "We cannot stress enough the danger that is happening right now. Debris being projected into the air and coming down as far away as a mile away from the explosion itself," end quote. Once again, that posted tonight on the Clinton Township Police Facebook page. Police and other first responders, they are at the scene. It's not known right now how many are being evacuated or what caused this.